Sindhi is? I have no idea. But I do today. I mean, not everyone can make a film. But if you can, it's a wonderful history lesson that no textbook will ever teach you. That experience will last with you forever. Oh, I didn't even know that there is a Muslim Sindhi because I never met a Muslim Sindhi. Imagine, so if I was that naive, how many people like me are out there that did not know that? And our textbooks have not taught us any of this. And in the future, even that little bit that they did is not going to be there.
अगर एक एक सपना जैसी लड़की हर एक सिंधी के घर में पैदा हो गई तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपका जीना हरामी समझ।
I started this journey and I just want to say this. I had so much angst. I had so much anger. And I was just like, but why can't we go there? And what is this rubbish? And I just, when I started it, I was like this angry woman. And
सखी दरबार कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर मस्त कलंदर
अच्छा, what am I wearing? I don't care what I'm wearing here, but what I'm wearing here is a Sindhi टोपी। मतलब जब तक तुम बाहर नहीं आओ ना, तुम्हारी फिल्म बकवास है। तुम घर